All right, guys, so we're going to be looking at lesson 6.8, and we're going to be talking about adding to make 10. Adding to make 10. So all of our wholes in each equation are going to equal how much? 10. Very good, because we're adding to make 10 today. All right, so I'm going to choose two colors here. I'm just going to stick with blue and yellow. That's what I already have on here, so that's what we're going to stick with. Okay, so the first one, it says you have 10 linking cubes. Some are red and some are blue. Just kidding, I have to change it to red and blue. Okay. Color to show how many are red and how many are blue, then color to show another way. So you get to choose, but they have to be different from one another. So let's look at the top one. Let's choose how many are going to be red and how many are going to be blue. So Camilla, since we haven't seen you in a while, how many do you want to be red? 5. All right, so we color, well, let me make it bigger so it's easier to color. 1, 2, count with me, 3, 4, 5. Okay, everybody put a bubble in your mouth when you know how many are going to be colored blue. When you know how many we're going to color blue, put a bubble. Okay, release. 5. All right, let's see if you're right. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, am I coloring super duper neatly? No, but am I super, super messy? No. This isn't art class, but we still do need to be kind of neat, okay? Now we have to write the addition sentence, which of course I'm going to use purple. So what am I going to write on this first blank here?
5.
5, because I have 5 red, and then I'm going to trace the plus sign, and how many blue do I have? 5 blue equals 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. All right, so now on the bottom one, we have to do it a different way. Joseph, how many red should we do? 6. All right, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. So put a bubble in your mouth when you know how many are going to be blue. And release.
4.
Let's check. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you notice when I'm coloring, I'm leaving a little bit of space between the blocks so I can still easily count them, right? All right, so now let's write our addition sentence. What am I going to write first? 6 plus
4
equals. Excellent. Great job, guys. All right, so now let's move to this one. So here they're using a 10 frame and they're using a number line. We start out with 6 counters. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here we're going to trace that 6, and it wants us to add 4 more. So we're going to trace 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to trace the 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Very good. Notice everything is equaling 10 today. All right, so on this one, they have 3 counters, so I'm going to trace the 3. Now, we have to figure out how many counters we need to add so that it equals 10. Now, on the other side of our counters, it's red and yellow, so I'm going to choose yellow. So what is one way I could go about figuring out how many I need to how many I need to draw to make 10? Yes, Cyrus.
7.
Okay, you're already, how did you get 7? What did you do to get that answer? Did you look and see how many blank spots there are? Okay, so Cyrus, you must have known that on the bottom here we have 5, and then 2 more would make 7. So he looked at the blank spots and he knew right away 7 more. But what if you didn't know that? What could you do to figure it out? Carson?
Count them.
You could count how many are empty, right? And as we're counting, can we go ahead and draw the other counters? Because we're supposed to draw the counters, right? So we could count 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So was Cyrus correct? Is it 7 more?
Yes.
Good. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. Good. Now let's look at this one. We have to draw more counters to make 10. Now this one, we can look at it and we see exactly how many are blank. How many are blank? 2. That one was easier to tell, right? 1, 2. All right, so then we're going to trace the 8. First an S, then close the gate. That's the way we make an 8s. Good. And then trace plus. And then how many did we add? 2. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Excellent. Okay, so now let's look at this one. We have to add more, Benjamin, to make 10s. Can you figure out how many we need to add to make 10?
Yes.
Can you tell me how you figure it out? How many do we need?
5.
I asked Benjamin. 5. Good. How did you know, Benjamin? How do you know we need 5 more?
Okay, what did?
There's 5 empty spots?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, let's double check it. Let's draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was correct. So 5, whoops, I did that 5 a little bit wrong. Plus 5 equals 10. Good. Okay, this time we have linking cubes. And I'm going to read the directions down here for number 2. It says, color the linking cubes to make 10. Use the linking cubes to complete the addition sentence. So they already colored in how many? 2. So that's going to be our first number. 2 plus. So how many are we going to color? I'm just going to keep it red, okay? Let's count. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. So how many did we have to color to make 10?
8.
8. So 2 plus 8 equals 10. All right. And now we have to find one more way to make 10. I'm just going to use the yellow and red that I already have. So, Nurso, how many yellows should we do? Oh, actually, I'm sorry. It says how many? It says color 4 linking cubes yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Sometimes it tells us what to do and sometimes it doesn't. Then it says color more linking cubes blue. So I need to change my color here to blue to make 10. So how many are we going to color blue? Put a bubble in your mouth when you know how many we're going to color blue. We have 4 yellow. How many are going to be blue? All right, release.
6.
All right, let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. So now tell me the equation I need to write.
4 plus 6 equals 10.
Excellent. You guys are doing great. Ooh, tickets. I wonder what we're going to see. It said you need 10 tickets to win a prize. You win 1 ticket. Draw more tickets to make 10, then write an addition sentence to match your picture. So how many tickets do we have? 1. And then how many more do we need to make 10? Does anybody know?
6.
You know, Carson?
9.
9 more? Let's check and see, okay? If I draw 1, I'm just making rectangles because the ticket looks like a rectangle, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then this one makes 10. So was Carson right?
Yes.
Yeah, so 1 plus 9 equals 10. Now, if you didn't know that it was 9, you could just count the 1 ticket and then keep drawing and counting at the same time. So you'd say 1, and then your first one you draw, you'd say 2, and then the next one you'd say 3 until you get to 10. And then you could go back and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to see how many you had. And I forgot to write 10 there. All right, Matthew, how many tickets do we have in the second one?
3.
Right, your friend wins 3 tickets. So now we have to draw more to figure out how many more tickets your friend needs to have 10 tickets. And then we have to finish the addition sentence. Okay, so I have 3 tickets. If I don't know how many more I need to make 10, I can say, sorry, let me turn that alarm off. It's almost time for recess. I have 3 tickets, so then this one would be how many? 4, right? Now I have 4. Is that correct? Oh, cool. It made it straight for me. All right, now I have 5. Come on.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, so now my friend has 10, but how many did I have to add to 3?
7.
Right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 more. So 3 plus 7 equals 10. And then it asks a question down here. It said, who needs more tickets? Did I need more tickets or did my friend need more tickets to make 10?
Friend.
I needed 9. My friend needed 7. So who needed more? I needed more, right? So it says to circle who needed more, and this one needed more. So I'm gonna circle it. Okay? All right, so now you guys are gonna do 2 worksheets. You're gonna do this one, where you have to draw more circles to make it 10, and then write the equation. And then for number 2, you're gonna color more linking cubes to make 10, and write the addition sentence. That one's a little bit sneaky, right? And then on this one, you're going to color more linking cubes on number 3 to make 10, and then complete the addition sentence. Then number 4, I'll read it to you again, but it says color 6 linking cubes yellow, color more linking cubes blue to make 10, and then write the addition sentence. And then for number 5, you need 10 stickers to win a prize. You have 8 stickers, draw more stickers to make 10, and then write an addition sentence to match. So the only one that I really need to read the instructions for you is number 4, because I think the rest of them you can do on your own. Okay, any questions? All right, first grade, the first thing we're going to do is review some letter keyword sounds. So watch where I point this little red laser, okay? And I want you to say the letter, the keyword, which is the picture that's on the card, and then the sound that it makes. Ready? Good. Okay, let's try that one again. Listen. L, lamp, O. Say it. L, lamp, O. Good. How about this one? Okay, I heard a couple of people say Remember, E-R-I-R and U-R say The letter R says R, okay? R. So listen to me first. R, rat, R. You try it. R, rat, R. Good. All right, here we go. D, dog, D. C, cat, K. O, octopus, ah. I heard some people say U, so let's try that one again. O, octopus, ah. Oh, sorry, we did that one. Here we go. M, man, M. Last one. I, itch, I. Good job. Okay, stand up. We're going to do vowel extensions. You're going to say the short sound of the vowel until I get to the picture, and then you'll say the picture. Here we go. Itch. Up. Add. Octopus. Apple. Apple. Good job. Have a seat. Okay, we are going to be practicing sounding out words again. You can tap on your fingers like that, or you can just hold up one finger for each sound, okay? Are you guys ready? Okay, say the first sound. S, it, sit. No, we don't say how many sounds. We say the word. So it's s, it, sit. All right, let's try another one. P, mop. Again. Ox. Good. App. Nap. Good. Sad. Don't forget to use your fingers. Set. All right, I'm not going to say them because I can't really hear you guys saying them, so I want to make sure you're saying them. Ready? Oh, just kidding. That was the last one. Let's do this one. You can use taps to help you also spell words. So I'm going to say the word. We're going to tap it out, and then you guys are going to tell me how we would spell that word, okay? So the first word is map. Can you say map? Map. All right, let's tap it out. App. All right, what do you think comes first? M, and then A. Okay, it's map, not mat. It's a P at the end. Very good. M-A-P. All right, how about lip? Say lip. Say lip. No, I didn't say the letter. I said say lip. Now let's sound it out. Lip. All right, now try to spell it for me.
L-I-P.
All right, let's check. Good job. L-I-P. All right, the next word, repeat after me, is mud.
Mud.
Let's sound it out. Mud. All right, now spell it.
M-U-D.
D is the last sound, so D. Good job. M-U-D. All right, repeat this word. Bed.
Bed.
Let's sound it out. B-ed.
B-E-D.
Excellent. All right, how about dog?
Dog.
Sound it out. D. Uh-oh. Some of you are telling me the letters. We're going to sound it out first. Ready? D. A. G.
Dog.
All right, now spell it for me.
D-O-G.
Good job. All right. All right, and at this point, we are going to practice writing some words. Okay? So I would like you to quickly get your doodle boards. And for those who are watching the recording, I will do these practice words with them when they come back. That is the end of our lesson. So thank you.